this next one. Thumb catches key. Come on. Beat up. You can't reach it otherwise.
That looks so far away.
Well, it is. If you look how many panels your left hand's moving, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, only coming off this.
Yeah, that's an awful hole. If you're out of body position, you don't have a chance. And remember, this next one, you want to hit the right side of it with your left hand. It's more impact. Good. Crimp it. Pinch it. Just the tip. Just the tip of this.
Oh, really? Oh, it's so bad. I'd like to be able to make more than a half a move at a time.
This is why
And then bump.
This is why climbing in the gym doesn't count.
I don't even know how to get back on the fucking wall.
Remember, you're bumping your right. Dig it. Oh. And you're going to go twice to your left now. Good. Lock it. And then bump again with your left. Oh, that's a shitty one.
Shit. Panel 31.
Yeah, you're like, isn't it over yet? You're going to go twice to your right. You're going to hit that crappy vertical pinch that doesn't feel good. Oh, sorry. You're going to go twice again. Sorry. In cut. Oh, no, you got to hit the pinch, and then you go twice.
Oh. Climbing is just kind of fun, but it doesn't really do shit. This is doing something.
So twice to the right. Just hold on enough to bring the board down and hit the next one. And you got it. Oh. Good work.